How to verify email address on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on this option of profile given at the bottom right corner. Once you land to your profile page, now at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Click on it. Now head towards the option of settings and privacy. Over here, you're going to find different sections. Under account section, you will find the option of account. Open it. Now click on the option of user information. Now go ahead and click on the option of email. If you have already linked your email, you will get the option of verify email, change email or unlink email. You have to go ahead and click on the option of verify email. As in my case, I haven't linked my email address. So I'm going to type in my email address and then click on the option of send code. Now you have to verify your email address. You will get the verification code in your email address that you have just entered. So go ahead and check your mail. At the top, you can see that TikTok has sent me the code. So this is the code. You have to type in that code over here. After you type in the code, your email address will be verified. Well, this is how you can easily verify email address on TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.